Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a car that blends retro muscle with modern engineering, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS. Yes, the legend is back, and it's more aggressive, more refined, and more powerful than ever before. If you're a fan of classic American performance, you're going to love what Chevy has done with this reboot. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. The 2026 Nova SS pays tribute to its 60s and 70s ancestors with a muscular, sculpted body that screams performance. But it's not stuck in the past. The design is thoroughly modern, with LED matrix headlights that sweep back into the fenders, a wide blacked-out grille with the SS badge glowing subtly in red, and a deep front splitter that hints at its track readiness. The hood is aggressive, featuring functional air vents and a bulging power dome that signals there's serious muscle underneath. Along the sides, you get sharp character lines and flared wheel arches wrapped around 20-inch forged alloy wheels, with low-profile Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tires. Round back, it features LED taillights styled in a retro split design, a ducktail spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and a bold Nova SS badge in chrome. Every angle of this car is dripping in attitude. And the best part, it's available in bold, nostalgic colors like Rally Red, Midnight Black, Metallic, and a stunning turquoise pearl that pays homage to the original Nova heritage. Now let's step inside, because this is where the 2026 Nova SS shows that it's not just a raw muscle machine, it's also a modern driver's car. The cabin blends classic cues with advanced technology. You're greeted with a flat-bottomed leather-wrapped steering wheel with the SS logo, paddle shifters, and a mix of brushed aluminum and carbon fiber trim. The seats are aggressive sport buckets with contrast stitching, ventilated and heated, and covered in Alcantara and leather. They hug you tightly whether you're carving corners or cruising downtown. At the center of the dash is a 13-inch high-definition infotainment display powered by Chevrolet's latest MyLink OS. It's intuitive, fast, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, real-time performance data, and even track telemetry. The digital gauge cluster behind the steering wheel is fully customizable, allowing you to switch from a retro analog-style look to a modern racing HUD at the touch of a button. You also get a premium 12-speaker Bose audio system, ambient lighting with selectable colors, and wireless charging, all wrapped in a cockpit that feels driver-focused but still practical for daily use. Now, let's talk performance, because this is where the Nova SS truly comes alive. Under the hood, you have a beast. Chevy has dropped in a 6.2-liter supercharged LT4 V8 engine, the same heart that powers the Camaro ZL1, tuned specifically for the Nova SS to deliver 680 horsepower and 660 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with either a 10-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual gearbox. Yes, manual lovers rejoice. It delivers power to the rear wheels with brutal force. This setup launches the Nova SS from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds, and the quarter mile disappears in around 11 seconds flat. Top speed, an electronically limited 190 miles per hour. But this isn't just a straight-line machine. Chevrolet has fitted the 2026 Nova SS with MagneRide adaptive suspension, Brembo 6-piston front brakes, and an electronic limited slip differential, making it equally capable on twisty back roads and track days. Drive modes include Tours, Sport, Track, and even a custom Me mode where you can tweak throttle response, steering weight, suspension stiffness, and exhaust sound. And yes, the exhaust note is pure American muscle, loud, raw, and absolutely addictive when you stomp the throttle. In terms of safety and driver assistance, Chevrolet has loaded the Nova SS with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for tight parking situations. This is a car that balances classic performance with modern safety tech. So what about the price? Well, Chevy has been very strategic here. The base 2026 Nova SS starts at around $56,000, which is incredibly competitive for the performance and style it offers. Opting for the manual transmission shaves a bit off, while going full out with the SS Track Pack, carbon fiber upgrades, and performance exhaust pushes the price close to $68,000. Considering it rivals the likes of the Dodge Challenger, Hellcat, and the Ford Mustang Dark Horse, the Nova SS offers fantastic bang for your buck. It feels premium, fast, and iconic, all in one package. At the end of the day, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS is not just a return, it's a rebirth. Chevrolet has managed to retain the spirit of the original Nova while injecting it with modern muscle, technology, and refinement. It's a car that will turn heads at stoplights and deliver thrills on back. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast, a modern performance junkie, or just someone who appreciates bold American engineering, this car deserves your attention. If you're thinking about adding a muscle car to your garage that has deep roots and modern soul, the Nova SS should be at the top of your list. It's not just a tribute to the past, it's a powerful step into the future. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about the return of the Nova. Would you pick it over the Mustang or Challenger? Smash that like button if you enjoyed this review, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.